Hello there, my name is Agustin Guardia, and today we will be playing Avatar The Last Airbender on the Game Boy Advance emulator. Now, this is one of my personal favorites growing up as a kid. I honestly love the Avatar series, and it's just such a great series that I'm looking forward to playing this, and I get graded on it, so that's pretty cool. So let us begin with a new game. Let's just go with my name. Okay, so it looks like it's starting off with some story. Aang, the Avatar, meditates, breathing the fresh North Pole morning air and gathering his concentration for an important Avatar affairs, focusing intently with one thing on this. Well, I want to just get into some gameplay already, so I'm just gonna move a little bit forward. So this is pretty cool. I'm able to move around. I guess I can investigate objects like Sokka's club, just looking for things. So B lets me hit people. It looks like if you see above, there's a blue bar that lets me have a certain amount of stamina. I assume green means my health. Look at that. Look at my little air bison. I love him. So it's time to go and enjoy the game. Let's see how this goes. Bunch of citizens around here, just enjoying myself. Snowman, like the snowman. Yeah, so it just seems like primarily combat based. A lot of story. Stand for okay, let's just save the game. Okay, well I don't really want to save the game right now. So similar games to this, I don't know. There's just like so many games that are quite like this. Like any adaptation to an like a cartoon from Nickelodeon or Cartoon Network traditionally does this kind of stuff, but this seems very story oriented. I think this is something about finding the elder or something. So I think just seeing this as the okay, I gotta go find somebody. Some person named Haru. Maybe if I talk to some people, they'll help me out. So it looks like north is more than likely up here somewhere. So if I follow this path, hopefully I can find Haru. However that's pronounced. I like it because this is one of my favorite cartoons of all time. And then what I don't like about it, what's not to like? It's just very simple. That's the thing. It looks like I need to push it. Okay, cool. So we got some puzzle solving aspects to it. Okay. Ooh, okay, I want to avoid that. So things fall. We'll use the shadows of the obstacles to determine if they're about to fall. Okay. So purely dodging. I like it. I like it. It's simple, and it's a simple Game Boy Advance game, so you can't expect too much from it. But I love the aesthetics. I love the beauty of the art. Okay, so I have to go and fall over here. Okay. I like it, I like it. Oh, apparently I can do high jumps when I see that symbol. Ooh, I like that. I can pull, not only push. Okay, that's good enough. It's pretty simple to pick up the game. Story, finding people, doing things. Ooh, and now I get to actually use my strikes or something. There's an enemy. Wow. Okay. Coolio, coolio. Hopefully the enemies get a little more tough. And I found an item. That probably just gave me back home. And I see. You found something maybe I've used. Black snow, you know what that means. Fire. Could she have been taken by the Fire Nation? Who knows? A set of bad guys that use fire to harm everybody all day later. And we're back to the starting point. Okay. And this is all I'm going to do for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.